Reality capture is evolving, and when it comes to leveraging reality capture technology like a 3D laser scanner, the application use cases are enormous. Not only in the world of construction, but also in the world of architect, engineering, industrial. There's no limits when it comes to this kind of technology. The problem is that as technology gets better and become more and more democratic because of the access of those technologies, the solutions become more elusive. We don't know what sensor needs for what job. And right now, what we're seeing in the reality capture space, and we're seeing the different jobs for the wrong sensor, different solutions and different sensors for different problems. In this episode, we're here to talk about the trends of reality capture, where reality capture is today, where it might go tomorrow, and where and what we can do about it in the AECO space. My name's Sebastian. Welcome to a long-awaited episode of the 3D Show. It's been a while. There's a reason for it. Hopefully, we're going to have a bunch of other episodes coming up. I'll see you super soon. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Cheers, everyone.
What is up, everyone? My name's Sebastian. It was great to be in that facility. Now it's time to talk in the attic about reality capture. It's been a while since we've sort of talked here. Now, why has it been a while? Well, number one, we've been doing a lot of different episodes. Number two, scanning has been growing exponentially. In fact, scanning has been growing about 20 to 30% in the global markets. But the main purpose of this episode is for three different reasons. And I don't want to get too much into the inside baseball aspects of it. I want us to look at it of, hey, where was it before, to have some historical context? Where is it today, so we can sort of understand what we have to do and what we're doing now, and then where is it going? In the past, we've been just using terrestrial laser scanners. The laser sensors are very expensive, and they generate very, very high-end and precise data points. Now, a lot of times we do need these high-end precise data points when it comes to oil and gas, automotive, certain types of high-end construction or architectural work. We need the millimetric precision. But we've been seeing a massive trend of using terrestrial laser scanning for everything. Now, as time has gone on, we've had new players in the market like Geoslam, Navis. We've been seeing some interesting things from that BLK to Go scanner, and we've been seeing new players from Asia. Now, let's look at the softwares. In the last 2 years, we've been looking at certain softwares that have been very continuously in the market, like, the Matterport and the Matterport software, which has been very much a trending software. The Scene2Go, WebShare2Go softwares have been very important. Back in the day, between 2010 to 2015, the adoption of 3D laser scanning technology in the construction space alone was below about 15%, as it was considered too expensive and specialized for mainstream use, which was based on the emerging trends of real estate in 2024 PwC. This is based on the past. Now let's look at the present. We've grown exponentially the application use case of reality capture, but at the same time, we've been asking ourselves, what kind of sensors do I need for the specific job? What we're starting to do is starting to emerge in this aspect of true democratization, true polymerization of the data, bringing GNS systems and coordinate systems from a survey total station all the way to a 360 camera that creates a photogrammetry point, all the way to a 3D laser scanning data set, and merging this all together to make that very, very tight space. So in the reality capture space, the democratization of point cloud is being actualized, but the democratization of the knowledge of the point cloud is still trying to understand itself. In 2023, the use of reality capture technology in the construction industry has surged to over 70% on the need of greater precision, efficiency, and cost saving. I think that today we're starting to see that reality capture becomes the connective tissue of that new reindustrialization of Industry 4.0. Let's talk about the future of reality capture. As you know, AI has been growing. Machine learning tools have been growing. The more data I have, the more I can actually do predictive algorithm. Now, we can see this in places like Drone Deploy, Sin2, Sphere XG, that we're starting to see progress management merge with AI predictive tools. And this is happening today all over. And so as we have new sensors in the market and they're cheaper and more accessible, and we have that other thing that I haven't brought up, which is the mobile scanning, and then we use a software, and that software then extrapolates the information, and because of AI or machine learning, we're allowing it to understand all the previous data sets and then merge it into something bigger. And now we can allocate where all the assets are, make specific reports, and then correct itself and calibrate itself. This is where we're going to. According to recent forecasts, the global market for reality capture technology is expected to grow at a CAGR, which is CAGR, of 16% between 2024 to 2026, driven by advancements in AI, machine learning, and LOT, or IoT better yet. We're here to talk about different things about reality capture capture and the democratization of the knowledge at point cloud, I'm still going to be talking about the application use cases. I'm still going to be talking about the different sensors. I'm still going to be talking about what is going on in the market and some of my own experience. I think that at the end of the day, the family business that we have here, we've been talking to a lot of people. We've been talking to automotive, oil and gas, construction, architecture. We've been seeing modular homes. We've been also seeing the byproducts of effects of the lack of supply with housing and trying to help promote new construction with this kind of technology. And this is not just based on nerding out. This is based on actual field experience, seeing it and actually applying the field experience in real life scenarios. I'm here to talk about this because I want you to come out of something and get something out of it. Whatever works for you is going to work for you and the relationship you want to build. There needs to be an empathetic relationship between you and the technology and the application use case and the way your organization operates and what industry your organization does. So if you have any questions about terrestrial laser scanning, mobile scanning, drones, and other forms, total stations, feel free to reach out to me. And if you want to like and subscribe to my channel, feel free to do so right here. But my name's Sebastian. Welcome to another really fun, semi-intense, but also very forward and frank episode of the 3D show. The next episode is either going to be about mapping and inspection or facility management. Regardless, I want to show you this. I'm going to have a lot of fun with you, and we're here to learn together. And if you have any comments, suggestions, and criticism, I'm here to talk about it with you. It's 2 a.m. here in the attic with a heat wave. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Cheers.